Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
So my name is Kars, I'm from Homey, the most popular smart home hub from Europe. It is a smart home hub that contains 7 wireless technologies: Z-Wave, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, 868, 433, and that in combination with an open platform where everybody can create and plug in for a brand makes it possible to implement all types of products. There are over 1,000 brands supported. So the way it works is you can really easily have an oversight of your house. You can control it, like lights, set the color, in a beautiful, easy to use interface. Like you see, we have here a Sonos Move combined with a Dana lock, a Ring doorbell, an Osram lamp, Honeywell thermostat, so the possibilities are endless. Once you have set up all your devices, you go to flows, and what you can do is it works like when something happens, you can set parameters with an end, like today is a Sunday and Emma is at home, then set the color and play the Sonos playlist, Emma's Sunday evening playlist. But it's really easy to go also a little bit deeper with different variables. Besides that, you have a lot of energy usage. You can see everything, all the insights in your house, not only from the plugged-in devices, but also from your smart home meter. Within a couple of months, it will be available at the big retailers and Amazon. Yeah.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.